Ngiyakhumbula, 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 ngiyakhumbula. I'm a traveler, I'm a seeker. I've been moving through time, through dimensions. And I remember the feeling, and I remember the feeling, and I remember the feeling. Ngiyakhumbula, 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 ngiyakhumbula. Aye. Let's go. We in the dance, we in the dance. I need the time, I need the time. Time is on our side. I need to leave. I'm in the zone. I need the time. I need the time. Time is on our side. I need to leave. Ngiyakhumbula, ngiyakhumbula.
Made the eight and made it green. He made the stars, he made the sun to warm us.
Langa langa, langa langa, we say langa langa, langa langa, we say langa langa. Oh no 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 no, oh no 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 no. The circle of life is calling me and I must go. Oh no, 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 no. The sun's going down, I think I must go. We say langa langa. We say langa langa. We say langa langa. We say langa langa.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. How's everybody doing? How are we doing? How are we doing out there? Markets are kind of spicy, pre-market. Kind of spicy. A little bit spicy. A little bit spicy, aren't we? Aren't we a little bit spicy? News today? Yeah. PMI 945 just after the open. All right. I was gonna take this long, man. It's close to taking it. Touch this perfectly, man, basically. I don't know. It's just all this kind of tricky trading, man. Tricky trading around here. Rabbit, what's up, brother? How are you? You're long. Hope you took profits. Yeah, I saw your chart. I got long in the London session also. I took a long and a short in the London session. This is I mean, did you take any PTs? You should have took a PT. Let's have a look at your chart. Where did you enter? What's your entry? You really should be waiting, right? Like you should be waiting for this to gain, right? This is the 1 minute chart. What chart is this? You entered at the arrow. So you entered here? Yeah. It's a proper trade. 15. Yeah, okay. This is still a pretty proper trade. You need to be looking a little bit more left though, bud, and understand why this is a level. It's not because of this, right? Like you need to look a little bit more to the left and understand where this level is coming from, right? So the more important level is this. Not the bottom one, the top one. I marked it here, but it's really this over here. So as long as they hold that, continue higher, then it's good. You know, this is the next thing up, right? And you should look at bigger time frames too, right? Like you need to look at bigger time frames to figure out why the things are important, right? Like this is like a daily move that made the high. Let's look at the daily here. Yeah, it's a daily candle. You see that? So it's a daily candle that they're trying to hold at 901. So 901 is important level. Fucking mosquitoes everywhere, dude. So knowing that 901 is an important level, you start going down on the chart, right? So you look at the 4 hour. Oh, it's a 4 hour swing. So it's a 4 hour swing. The 4 hour trend is down, right? So the 4 hour trend, we can count that this is inside. So this is where they lost it. So that's why they rejected there too, right? This is where they lost it. So it's going to be important that they get back above on top of that. So you should be taking PTs up here, right? Because there's going to be resistance there. There's going to be people that are shorting that. Could they gain it? Yeah, they could, but you don't know if they're going to gain it or not. So you need to take PTs. If they start making closes above here and holding this, then yeah, we're looking good for new highs. This is how it's like multi-time frame analysis, right? Like you need to use more than just the small time frames. You need to use the big time frames, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly. You need to look at them and see where you are, right? Like the weekly, there's not too much here. The only thing I would mark out on the weekly is down here if we start to dump. So we'll keep an eye on that. And then there's a gap close here. So there's two things. So you're just looking out for those levels. Then you go to the daily. Okay, what are we looking at on the daily here? There's not even really much to look at the daily. Same thing. It's this gap close. So we can look at the 4 hour. Oh, we have structure here. Okay, so structure that made this high. This is the 4 hour move that made the all-time high. So these are levels that are important to get back above, right? So like that's the low of it. So we need to for longs, you're looking for them to get closes above that and hold above that on the smaller time frame. On the bigger time frames, even better. So they did have 4 hour closes above that, right? So even on a pullback, they're already showing some strength, right? Because they're closing above where they need to get above. So that's kind of the idea. So you want them to hold this level here, right? You want them to hold this level on the smaller time frame. Now, looking at the smaller, I usually skip the hourly. I don't really look at the hourly too much, but you can look at the hourly too. I usually skip down to the 15-minute at this point. So this is a good long opportunity here, right now, because this is a major level that they need to hold. 901 is a major level that they need to hold. They gained this inside 15. They left a gap. So, you know, this is just like the thinking behind this, right? Like this is how you should think about when you enter in a trade. Is this trade even worth taking? You know what I mean? Let me just look at the 4 hour here. Yeah, the 4 hour doesn't look too bad, really. I don't mind longs. I don't mind longs to back up to here, to back up to this, to test this, to see where this is at. Maybe they'll push it down one more time. Like right here, right now is a long that I would have taken. I would have took it if I was a little bit paying a little bit more attention, just at the chart a little bit earlier. About 5 minutes later. You should also look at the other side of the case, the other side of the coin too, right? Like what's going on the downside. Did we stop anywhere specific? Oh, we almost closed this gap. We didn't quite close it, but we almost closed it. So they could still close that gap, right? The daily here. They didn't close the daily gap, yeah. So like this, there's still a gap there to close. Almost all gaps get filled. So they're either closing this now or they're going to close it later. This is pretty weak hourly gain. You know, they did gain the hourly, but very weakly, right? You know, when we're looking for gains, we're looking for like a gain and then a retest, right? To enter the gaps that I talked about, there's no gaps here. So they didn't really gain this hourly very convincingly. So that's the hourly case. 4 hour, anything to talk about on the 4 hour? No, it's just 4 hour continuation down. They're just rejecting the move that made this high. So it's just the 4 hours pointing down. The 1 hour, they've gained, but not convincingly. So not too much good information from the 1 hour. For longs. The small time frame, again, they didn't really gain this too convincingly. Not to say these longs won't work, but this isn't gained very convincingly. I do like how they're pumping it now, though, so this does look like a pretty good long. The more serious longs are going to be once we start getting more closes up here. Then you can take longs and shoot for all-time high. You can shoot for up here. Five minute. See, this is a really good entry on the 5 minute. You see how this kind of a candle gain. It's perfect. You know what I mean? Huge volume came in. They gained it. They left a massive gap. They tested it here. You know, perfect. That's what you're looking for. If it doesn't look like that, just move along. Don't even bother taking the trade. And on a 5 minute, you need to be at or close to a level of interest, right? So here you're at a level of interest. This 5 minute gain, you weren't really at a level of interest, right? Like once you broke through these levels, you know you're looking at this level then. I don't know. Hope that made sense. Clear as mud, right? Clear as mud, right? I think I'm waiting until the open before taking any trades. I closed out all the trades from this afternoon. One account was break even about, or down $200, sorry, and then the other account up 300 bucks. So one up 300, one down 200. Makes very much sense. Good. Even if you make the most sense out of everything, it could still just go the other way, man. Like it's nothing is like for certain, you know. All signs could point to yes and it could go no. You know what I mean? I think I'm gonna be starting to change my tune soon on Bitcoin. If we don't have a fucking big rally today, like we need a rally today. We need to be up in the 120s. If we don't see that, I think we're going to 90K. Kind of sucks. Anyway, 30 minutes till the open. I'm gonna go for a quick cigarette, and oh god, I've been on this this full cam the whole time. I'm gonna go for a quick cigarette and maybe take a grab a drink or something, and then I'll be right back. Back in 5.
See casi. I found peace of mind. 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 Peace of mind. A moment, a time. I found peace of mind. I found peace of mind. Ang salali luto, bengi tala look solo. A moment, a time. A moment, a time. A moment, a time. So many people that live on the earth. It's a small world, don't you think? And we live here, and we share this space. Yet people fight over the smallest things. I don't understand. Maybe it's just me. The things we take for granted. It's just the little things. It's just the little things. It's just the little things. I just want peace of mind. 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 Anzeliluto, ben eterno. A moment, a time. A moment, a time. A moment, a time. A moment, a time.
What do you guys think, man? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about pre-market longs here? All right, 25 minutes still open. Yeah. I think I'm gonna take a long here, man. We're gonna do one. We're gonna do one for now, and if it dips, I'll do another one. Little pre-market long. Gonna add one more. All right, we got too long. This is gonna be basically the trade for this account for the day. Rub us. Let's go. Will 901 hold is the thing. Good afternoon. Will 901 hold? That's the burning question here. I'm gonna try one here first.
The stage
I kind of like how I like how they did the 4-hour close here. So holding where they kind of closing above where they need to, you know. Worth a shot anyway. "19 minutes until the open." Let's pump it one time. Let's do it one time for me. Let's get one of these accounts passed, man. I'm getting a bad review on one of the villas I manage. There was a cockroach in the villa, man. What can you do, man? It's Bali, dude. There's cockroaches around, you know what I mean? Fuck, get over it. You know? Literally pest control these villas like once every 2 weeks. We spray down the whole place. I was telling these other guys, man, if we in Bitcoin, we need to see a pump, man. Like if they close the month down here, I'm gonna be looking to exit some positions, man. Come if we get any kind of pump, you know, I'm gonna be closing off some shit. A little bit of buying. Gain on the 1 minute. Looks like they like that 901 level. Should have a little bit of a better entry, but what can you do? Market open ripper, maybe. We got that news at 9:45 too. Maybe a ripper. Yeah, monthly really not looking the greatest on Bitcoin. I think so it sorries me to say, but I think that we're going down to like 89K. I was really hoping they would pull something together. Monthly really not looking good.
I am the air, I am the land, I am the beginning and the end. The one you don't believe, but I know you see. Mi bisabuela.
No doubt. No doubt. Yeah, just get all your positions ready first, you know, call your friends and then, you know, tell them that don't worry, the trade war is over again.
We never had a chance, not even in the slightest. It's like we were always cursed before we even started. The heavens wouldn't let us. All the odds were against
13 minutes to the open, boys.
we couldn't be together.
13 minutes. What are your guys' thoughts, man? Kind of hard trading up here, man, at all-time highs. Not the greatest. But looks like they're gonna hold this 4 hour for at least for now.
As long as you know that I tried. As long as you know that I tried. As long as you know that I tried. And if I can do anything to try, then just tell me
Some buying coming in. Bit of buying. A little bit of buying. Was NQ look on the NQ looks terrible, yeah. Ugh. Oh. What about RTY? Any kind of special tricks on RTY?
As long as you know that I tried. As long as you know that I tried. As long as you know that I tried.
See what market open brings. Yeah, but Bitcoin, what happened, man? You know, What happened? What happened to you, man? Ugh. I think at 89 is where we're gonna head. Just look up. Yeah, low 90s or 89. That sucks, man. It just sucks, man. It sucks, you know. They did close the weekly up here, right? It's just fucking hard trading, you know. They did have weekly closes above that, right? So like they're trying to hang on to it, but it's not looking the greatest. It's taking so long, right? Fucking 3 weeks, man, of just like this fucking range. Yeah, it just looks like it's going down. Unfortunately, I think we're not. I think this will hold though. I don't think it's like absolute collapse. I'm pretty sure that this is it right here. 89. Big untested gap here. That would be my guess anyway. I'll be loading up shop down there. But I'm already like, I already loaded up shop at like 105 and 108. So I'll have to load up even more of the shop. Kind of sucks. I'll have to bring in some reserves. But yeah, any trades I take down here will be aiming for up here, right? So that would be the 3-month continuation, yeah. So, yeah. Could take a while though. Once you get on these bigger time frames and it's like a bigger time frame move, like we're talking, you know, we're talking this is the bear market, right? And it's gonna be the bear market until like mid 2026, maybe something like that. Yeah, mid 2026. Then probably piss around down here and then go up again. Yeah, it's usually like when we have like a downturn, it's like 3 to 6 months down. This candle ends in January, so if there's going to be one more 3-month candle down, that'll be April. It's unfortunate, but what are you gonna do?
Here's a gift to you. 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 Here's a gift to you.
6 minutes still open. 5 actually. This account might get liquidated today. Yeah, like always, Rubus. Yeah, I don't know about 15K. If we see a massive pump, I could see ETH at like 6. 6 or maybe even 8. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's crazy, crazy crypto Twitter. Doesn't make any sense, you know? These people just pumping out things just for clicks and for comments, you know. All right, market open in 3 minutes. We get that news at 9:45 too, so 15 minutes after the market opens there'll be news hitting. Yeah, this is the spot. Could easily be a 4-hour continuation, you know what I mean? And like I said, those 4 hours they closed above 901, right? So nice. I front run that, but could get stopped out, but what are you gonna do? All you can do is try, you know? All right, here's the open, boys. Let's get it one time.
The energy that flows through your soul, the mother of your ancestors, the one you
Yeah, the open comes and the lag comes on my charts.
I am the water, I am the air, I am believe, but I know you see. These are my nights.
Gonna add 2 more down here. This is gonna be a big trade. It's gonna be the account. Not looking too promising. Oh God. So I added 2 more there. I'm 6 in. Let's see if we can bounce it. This will definitely be this account if this doesn't work. Stopped. Well, there goes that account. On to the next. Where can we short this? I don't even like this really, man. I just feel like this is gonna make new 4-hour lows now. I'm in 2 short. Or 4 short, sorry. I still have this on 2. What does this account need? This account needs like $1,500. I just want to get these passed and get them into funded, man. Let's go. Yeah, this is looking terrible now at this point. I think we're going to make a new 4-hour swing low under 88. Unless they pump it in the next 21 minutes and close back above 01. I switched to short. I'm gonna take 2 off here. This account needs $1,000. That's it. Should really keep one as a runner too. Okay, I'm gonna push this one. Another one. I have one more runner left. I'm just gonna trail the stop. This account needs 800 bucks. I feel like I'm just gonna get stopped out, but dump it. Dump it. More down. We're close. I think I might flatten this here. I shouldn't though. I'm gonna start trailing it tight. Real tight. Dump it. Close. Real close. Moving the stop up again. I marked it out, but I didn't catch it in time. I still need one more trade. It'll have to be a good trade. because I just want to get this thing passed, man. It'll have to be a good trade, you know. This thing needs not even 320 bucks it needs to pass. Just come on, man. You know, enough. I should have still been in this trade. I would have been holding this here. What a dump. All right, so this is the first 15-minute range. I'm gonna redo some of these lines here. I think I might take a long. Okay, I'm in long. Oh, it's gonna be tight stops. Just trying to scalp my way to victory there, but it just didn't work. God damn it. This account needs $1,000 again. So this is the opening range. Taking longs. All right, there's $200. Just $700. I need more, man. Come on, I wanted to do this today, you know? Fuck, I should have held that trade. I would have won. It's tricky now because they've taken out this, so we can longs may play, right? Can play back up here to this, back up to this. But it's risky, man, you know? Bit risky. Bit risky. I might have to push it off till tomorrow. This isn't the greatest setup here, man. Really, I want to take it. I was gonna take long here and just stop it at the bottom. I don't want to do it, man. I gotta be super careful now because the threshold has moved way up. So because I'm just about to pass, so like I can't really have any kind of down draw on any of the trades. So really kind of not. I have to wait for a decent setup on the 1 minute, and this isn't it. You're in longs from 82, yeah. I that's where I was looking at longing. This 1 minute. I just didn't like it. Just wasn't the best setup, you know. Nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking at. This 84 I was looking at, same shit. I don't know, like I still think down, right? But like, this is like could be a counter trend rally, just like a little dead cat bounce here first, back up to 01 or even 93. Man, maybe not 01, but 93. Let's see, this is a mid-range trade, so not the greatest. I'd rather wait to see. Nice. Kind of fun playing on the smaller time frames, eh? I never usually do it, and never this small. But like when you're playing the big boy contracts, you like have to look at the 1 minute, and then you have to look at like the tick chart. This looks like it's gonna run a little bit. We got a 3 bar here. Maybe back to the top of the range. Back to break even. Nice packs. Oh god, what happened, bro? Too much running. Oh no. Get off the soccer, man. You're getting too old. You're not getting paid for this shit. All right. A little bit of selling now. You're officially retiring? Yeah, no doubt. You have to, man. Can't play sports anymore. I used to snowboard and shit all the time, and then I got to the point where I was like, I'm not getting paid for this shit. Fuck this. You know? I'm not out here trying to get hurt. I bailed out real bad on the hill, and then I was like, I'm never doing this again, man. Fuck this. It was all well and fun when I was younger. But as I got into my older age, I was, yeah, you know, I was just like, I'm just going to end up breaking a hip and shit, man. Fuck this. Yeah, not worth it for sure. Better that way, man. Safer that way, you know? I guess the news was bad. I don't know. It's probably the news, though. Sure. Sure of it. Oh, the news didn't release. Oh. Shut down, huh? We got the 4-hour close in 3 minutes. It's looking real shit, man. It's looking real bad here for the markets. Real pooper for the old markets. What's next here? This? Yeah, this. Oh, this is coming up. I guess we can take a trade there, right? 77. It's already been done. 79. They basically touched it. Yeah, I just won't be here in the afternoon. It's a problem. There is this coming up. But like this doesn't look good, man. It's all fucking, look at it. It just looks like it's going to the gap. That's it. Should just be trying to look for a place to get short. Maybe right here? Nah. You know? Can't do that. Can't short there. And play the 15-second chart. Take a 15-second continuation short. Seems to be working though. Has Bitcoin really not moved at all, or is the chart not working? Are they just like stable coin now? Yeah, they haven't done shit. When I pass the account, I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna try to trade 10 contracts, and I'm gonna try to just nail the trades and move stops into profit right away and take quick PTs. You know, or it'll fail and I'll burn the account. I just need to do that like 3 or 4 or 5 times. You know what I mean? And it'll be at payout. Gonna take a little long. Tight stop. What are we trying to get here? How much do I need? 7. Oh, just try to get to the next candle up here. We're at top of the range. I don't think we'll get at the top of the range. God damn it. Trying to force trades here, man. Stop. This account needs 1,500. God damn it. I think I'm gonna call it for today. Hopefully next day we can get it. Maybe one more trade here, boys. One more trade. I'm gonna trade this right here. 78. All right, I'm in. Maybe we'll blow up this account too. We just need a bounce here. All right, flattened it. What are we at? My God, we need 400 bucks. God damn it, man. I knew that level would bounce, right? So let's get a scalp out of it. think I'm gonna take a short. 2 contracts. I'm gonna play this inside bar. It's not even really an inside bar. I really don't like this trade. I'm closing it. All right, I think I'm just gonna call it there, man, for the day. I was really trying to get this done today, but it's not working for me, man. I need $700 more, not even 620. I think it's better for me just to wait till the next session and get like a clean setup, you know. Trying to fucking look for setups on a 15-second chart. Really, it's a little ridiculous. Yeah, it's better I do that. This account's so close, you know what I mean? It's gonna be just wait for a trade and get it. All right, man, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you guys for coming out, man. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, well, what is today? Is today Friday? Is it Friday? Oh shit, it is. So this isn't gonna happen until tomorrow or the next day. Man, I should just get in here and get a short and get it over with. You know? Yeah, I'm short one. We'll give it to the just dump it, man. Alright, there's another $200. What do I need? What do I need, man? What do I need to pass here? I need fucking $350, man. This looks like it's gonna make new lows. 73 I have marked. It's gonna be lower than that. I really don't even like this level. No, this is nothing anymore. This is nothing anymore. This is headed much lower. Should have held this, or should have took 2 so I could have had a runner. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there, man. I really wanted to get this done. But there's all the good setups are gone. You know, I'm like scrounging for setups over here, man. It's the worst. I'm just scrounging around trying to find any little setup to take any kind of shot.
The energy that flows through your soul, the mother of your ancestors, the one you worship. I am the water.
So I'll leave it there.
I am the land.
I'm
I am the beginning
We can talk over Discord about if anything happens over the weekend for crypto. If there's any kind of crazy action, I'll just jump on the Discord. All right, boys. I'd like to see a pump today in crypto, man. Really, we need a pump to, like, you know, back to like 16 at least, 16 or like into the 20s at least. I don't know if that's gonna happen, man. That's what we need. The month closes, yeah, soon. Today is the last day. The monthly looks like shit. All right. See you guys around.